Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas! My name is Afton. How you guys doing? I'm great. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a little vlog. I normally don't be on the road nighttime, but I was on the road nighttime yesterday. So I decided to drive by Main Street. Normally every year, Courts Guyana, they have like a big tree lighting up and so, but unfortunately they didn't have it this year, but they still light up the tree. So I decided to drive around there and show you guys the lighting of the tree on Main Street. It was so beautiful. But let me tell you this, your girl didn't come out your yard though. I took the pictures from right in the car. I was a little scared because you know Tiger Bay is right around the corner and I just didn't want nobody snatch my phone, because if somebody snatched my phone I won't be able to make no videos for you guys anymore. So your girl was a little nervous, but I tried my best. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this little vlog with the lights on Main Street. And I want you guys to give my video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Pretty please. And I hope you guys are enjoying the Vlogmas, because every day I will be uploading a video for you guys. It could be cooking, it could be a vlog, it could be hair, it could be anything. So guys, just keep your notification on, because I will be uploading a video for you guys every day. And also I want you guys to go over to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I will also leave that link in the description box down below. I want you guys to go over there and please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. All right, let's run those numbers up. And also guys, I want to ask you guys to please go and check out my playlist. Check out my playlist and watch my videos. That would help me out a lot. All right, I would really appreciate it. All right, and I want to ask you guys also to please watch the ads in the video. Don't skip the ads. When you guys watch the ad, that will help me out a lot too. All right, so I hope everyone is enjoying their holidays. Look out for more vlogs from me. Look out for more cooking videos and all sorts of videos you get from me. All right guys, so I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Okay guys, so alright guys, so this is so over there is the quick serve. To video while I'm driving. So here's the light guys, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Can you guys see it? It looks really good. This is on Main Street guys. Main Street. Beautiful fairy lights. Give you guys one more view of the lights here. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna take a few pictures and let you guys see. This is the Courts building here guys. The Courts building. Alright guys, so I'm leaving here now. I'm headed back home. I normally don't be in town nighttime at all, but I had to come and get something, so that's the reason why I'm out here so late, and I get to show you guys these beautiful lights on Main Street. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, quick vlog of the lighting, the course lighting. So guys, you see the lights on Main Street, the beautiful light that Courts Guyana put up. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog video. Give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to come back every day. All right, and don't forget to watch the ads in the video as well. All right, so see you in the next video, and take care and have a blessed night. Bye guys.